Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julianti from 12P1C. Hello everyone. Today I'm here to introduce a super delicious product, Milkita Bites. Crispy on the outside and super soft on the inside. It comes in 3 yummy flavor with chocolate flavor, strawberry, and melon. And the best part, it's only 1,000 rupiah. We've got a special promo just for you, buy one get one free. Buy one, get two.